Let's make these delicious chocolate caramel bites. To start, pour a cup of white sugar into a pan, then cook on medium heat until you see the sugar start to melt. Then turn off the heat because the sugar is really hot when it's about to melt, so it doesn't overcook. When the sugar has melted completely, add a half cup of heavy cream and stir to combine. Turn the stove back on to low heat, then add 3 tablespoons of salted butter and stir to combine. Remove the caramel from the heat and pour it into a muffin tray. Add a tablespoon of crushed peanuts over the caramel. So before we add our chocolate, let's heat a quarter cup of heavy cream and 2 cups of milk chocolate together until fully combined and completely melted. So now we can pour the melted dark chocolate over the crushed peanuts and let it chill in the fridge to solidify faster. You can then add more peanuts or toppings of your choice and decorate as you desire. Enjoy!